Hey there, small business owners. Welcome to the ultimate guide to AppMySite pricing. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to snag your special discount. All right, let's get started. So you've got a fantastic website and now you're thinking, wouldn't it be nice to have a mobile app too? Well, my friend, AppMySite's got you covered. Let's break down their pricing plans and trust me, it's as easy as pie. First up, we have the starter plan, perfect for those just dipping their toes into the app world. For just $9 a month, you get basic features like a fully functional app, WordPress integration, and live preview. It's like getting a delicious appetizer before the main course. Next, we move on to the Pro plan. This one's $39 a month and offers a bit more flavor. You get everything in the starter plan, plus push notifications, custom branding, and better support. Think of it as upgrading from a sandwich to a gourmet meal. Now, for those of you who want the whole enchilada, there's the premium plan at $99 a month. Here you get advanced features like in-app purchases, WooCommerce integration, and priority support. It's like having a personal chef who caters to your every need. Feeling hungry for more? There's also the enterprise plan. This one's custom priced and tailored to your specific needs. It's like having an all-you-can-eat buffet, but only with your favorite dishes. Yum! All right, let's talk about some sweet extras. AppMySite offers add-ons like App Store publishing and professional design services. These are great if you want to add a little extra spice to your app, because who doesn't love a little extra flavor, right? Now I know what you're thinking. What about those pesky cons? Well, AppMySite does have a few. Limited customization options, dependency on your website's performance, and fewer advanced features in lower-tier plans. But hey, no app builder is perfect. All right, folks, that's a wrap on AppMySite pricing. Remember to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. Thanks for watching, and happy app building. Catch you on the flip side.